Redmond High School Pre-Calculus presents Richard Gets Sweaty at the Fair, an adventure into the measurements of the unit circle with our friend Richard Simmons. One hot and sunny day, Richard Simmons had gone to the fair after his early morning jog. He was tired and sweaty and thought that he would take a nice ride on the Ferris wheel to cool off. However, Richard had seen a bunch of celebrities riding on the Ferris wheel, and being that he is in such great shape, he climbed up into the center to get a better angle for his camera.
Richard Simmons needs to adjust the angle of his camera in order to take the pictures of each celebrity. Unfortunately, Richard was never very good at math. Luckily, we're here to teach Richard the unit circle in order to fulfill his creepy little dreams.
Let's say that the Ferris wheel is a circle, which is equal to 360 degrees, and that Justin Bieber is located at 0 degrees. The unit circle uses different points and radians to measure different lengths associated with degrees along a circle. The points for the unit circle are arranged as cosine, sine of the angle. The unit circle has a radius of 1 with a vertex at 0, 0. Using this information, we can say that the point of intersection between the radius and the circle at 0 degrees is 1, 0. Another way to measure distance with the unit circle is through radians. The distance around the circle of 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. Therefore, Justin Bieber is located at 0 radians. Richard now knows 3 ways to name distances using the unit circle. Let's see if you can find some other celebrities.
Ellen DeGeneres is located at 60 degrees on the unit circle. Her distance in radians can be found using basic algebra. Knowing that 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians, we can use proportions to figure out the amount of radians that equals 60 degrees. Using our algebraic skills, we can come to the conclusion that 60 degrees is equal to pi over 3 radians, or roughly 1.047 radians. To find the point of intersection, the best way is to draw a right triangle using the radius as the hypotenuse and the right angle along the x-axis. The points along the unit circle are arranged so that the cosine of the triangle equals x and the sine of the triangle equals y. The cosine of this triangle, or x, is equal to 1/2, and the sine of the triangle, or y, is equal to root 3 over 2. So this means that Ellen is located at the point 1/2 root 3 over 2. Good job, Richard.
Other aspects of the unit circle include negative values. Like graphing any equation, the unit circle has negative points along the x and y axes. For example, in quadrant 1, all values are positive. In quadrant 2, the cosine is negative while the sine is positive. In quadrant 3, both values are negative, and in quadrant 4, the cosine is positive while the sine is negative. It also contains negative angle values. Going counterclockwise around the circle produces positive angles, but while going clockwise will produce negative angles. Richard now knows all about the unit circle, and with his camera full of pictures, he heads home after a long day at the fair.